Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering your photos and setting the timeline so your video flows. Import photos into a single folder and rename them in sequence. This ensures chronological order when assembling. Once done, pick a target duration and divide by image count to calculate each frame's display time. Make sure to note any exceptions for a highlight image. You should also pick a consistent aspect ratio and resolution, now so you avoid cropping later and keep the output clean. You now load the ordered photos into your video editor and arrange them on the timeline. Set each photo's duration using your earlier calculation, then add simple crossfades or cuts to improve rhythm. Transitions should be subtle so they don't distract. Once arranged, make targeted edits. Crop or scale to fit frame, correct exposure or color, and add slow pan and zoom keyframes to add motion. Make sure to regularly preview at full speed to confirm pacing and visual continuity. You finish by adding audio and exporting with proper settings for compatibility. Choose a music track or voiceover, then balance levels so dialogue remains clear. Make sure audio fades match scene changes. Export using H.264 at 1080p and a moderate bitrate for good quality without huge files. If you encounter stuttering or sync drift, re-render using a constant frame rate, or try another codec and increase bitrate. That usually fixes artifacts and keeps your finished video smooth and shareable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.